Hello, lovely YouTubers. Just want to make another video on to check the continuity of these wires. This is one of the main wiring harnesses on the engine. So the main plug comes there and it goes to the AC compressor. That's the one for the EGR valve. One of the sensors. Yeah, so it's quite a significant wiring harness in the car. Before I put the I just installed, have a look at my previous year, I just installed the injector pump, and I thought before I put everything back together, I just want to check whether this wiring harness is working properly. So the process I used is got one of these little clips where you can, hopefully it's recording here the right way. Yeah. So these little clips where you can plug it into this little into the pins. You just got something like that, and you just push it in. And the other end I connect it to my multimeter, and let's put the multimeter to continuity, and it should make a noise. So literally so that's done. Yep. So what I did was every time I did something, I put a green mark like that, and then went to the next one. Or you can do a bit of a diagram like that. So you got your grey one, black one. Grey one got the 2 pins like that. Black one got the 2 pins like that. And then you got your orange big one, another, and like that. So what was that one? Yeah, so if you call that, I'm sorry, let's start from the front. So one comes into this grey one, and then there, the number 2 pin. Two goes into this black one, that one there, two. Let's go into the third one. Three. Alright, 3 goes into there. Number 4. Is here. Go into 5. It's probably not the right configuration. There's only 6 here. That's why I started wrong. Yeah, that's all right. 6 is that one, and sorry, 5. Let's see, 5. 6 is that one there. Should be somewhere in here, I reckon. Yeah. 6, which is that one. Black with yellow, grey with white, black with yellow, black with green. Black with yellow with the broken. I've got a break in here. So we've done number 6. Let's go into 7. Should be something in here again. Yeah. That's 7. That's a compressor, air compressor. That's your EG. You can buy these little probes from eBay actually. I need 9, 10. It should be that one. That one here. 10. 11 should be either that one. Yeah. 11. And lucky last. That should be that one there. Oh, sorry, that's 3, 2, 7. The grey on that one. Huh? Grey one, yeah. That one. That's your 12. 112, so look at that diagram. Every pin is connected. There's 2 are connected. That one is here. That's a blank one. So just map the wires and have this in your. That's a welding book. I should transfer that into my engine rebuild book. So I'll put a bit of diagram in there. So all the wires are working. So I'll put it back together and. When you install it, you know it's working. So just a peace of mind, guys, girls. When you do a job like this, first time I'm doing an engine build like this, just peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and until next one, take care.